What's going on, my tech friends? This is the one tech. So today I've got another video for you guys, and this one we're going to be talking again about the Samsung Galaxy S21 and the S21 lineup. But today we're going to be focusing more on the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. I can't wait. I seriously cannot wait for this device to come out. But today, we're going to be talking more about this S Pen stylus. A lot of people have been saying online, is it going to come with it? Is it not going to come with it? How are we going to get it? Are we going to get it in a box? Or do we have to get it separately? And it just things around to involve that kind of, the S Pen stylus kind of area. But yeah, today I'm going to explain to you everything you need to know about this S Pen stylus that's going to be coming with the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra. So rumors and leaks suggest that Samsung will be bringing the S Pen supporting to the Samsung Galaxy S21 family early next year. And now we've seen the clearest indication of that in a form of a US regulator filing. The FCC, if you guys don't know what FCC means, they actually mean the Federal Communications Consumption. So the US government body that certifies phones and other devices before they go on sale. And we often see smartphones mentioned in FCC fillings ahead of their release. The listing that mentioned the S Pen support is a device that we expect to be the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra, and it even goes as far as to mention that it will include features such as a hover, where you don't actually have to touch the display with the stylus. You just have to over the display with the stylus, and for it to actually pick up and respond to whatever you have hovered over with the stylus pen. So previous leaks haven't shown a slot on the device including the S Pen, so we're not currently expecting to be included on the phone by default. So like I said in the beginning of the video, you might have to buy it separately, or the phone won't actually come with the S Pen. But it's looking like the S Pen will be included as an additional device you can actually purchase alongside the Samsung Galaxy Ultra. It's also unclear if the S Pen will be supported by other phones in this series, or the S series, such as the Samsung Galaxy S21 and the Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus. So it's unsure that the the S Pen will be able to work on the Samsung Galaxy S21 and the Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus. It might just be for the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra, but then that makes me think, is the display going to be a different type of display? But at the moment, we're expecting the Samsung Galaxy S21 family to be released on January the 14th, but there has yet to be official confirmation from the company on what the new device will be released. Leaked and rumors suggest that you'll be able to buy one of the Samsung Galaxy S21 phones by the end of January, and this FCC fill-in only makes that look more and more likely to happen. So basically, in a nutshell, the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra will be definitely coming with the S Pen stylus, and I can't wait, because it's going to be nice to see that how they implement it with the S series, especially when they only implement it on the Note series. But yeah, anyway guys, that's been the video. So if there's more updates, I will be sure to update you guys as well. But yeah, without further ado, if you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to subscribe, like the video for some more tech news, and yeah, dislike the video, comment down below, tell me why you dislike the video, and also share the video for whoever that's interested in the new Samsung devices that's going to be coming out next year. Anyway guys, I'll see you guys later. Peace.